Action.
Hello, my name is Alisha Davis, and I'm the owner of Real Natural Salon. I've been a cosmetologist for a little over 17 years now and a business owner for 5 years. What we do in our salon is we like to help people transform their hair. If you have hair that is out of control, damaged, dry, breaking, falling out, or if you are still relaxed and you just trying to figure out how to go natural, or you want to be natural, or you thinking that you got to cut all your hair off. At Real Natural Salon, we help you come up with solutions to figuring out what to do, how to keep it controlled. We offer a hydration treatment that lasts anywhere from 4 to 6 months. You get them once or twice a year. Moisture is the key to keeping length and having a controlled hairstyle, or even being able to control your hair. If you come into our salon, the first thing you're going to do is have a consultation. We're going to find out what your challenges are, what products you're using, what your daily activities are. What do you do to your hair? If you don't want to comb it, we'll figure out ways to come up with a style with to comb your hair. But at Real Natural Salon, we also offer our product line here, which is Real Natural Solutions. And these are solutions to help you take care of your hair in between salon visits. We have a moisturizer, we have a cran apple mist spray, we even have a hair oil or glaze that you can use to give your hair shine. So we are located at 12111 West Markham, Suite 420, and we're right next door to the Hoover Repair vacuum cleaner store in Rock Creek Square. So if you're needing to get help with your hair, you can visit us at realnaturalsalon.com to book your consultation, or you can stop by the salon, and you can check us out on Facebook, Real Natural Salon, and Instagram, Real Natural Salon. Thank you.